Hello folks, I thought I'd do a real quick video on automatically creating folders for a new project. I typically create raw, stills, output, and so on folders for a project, but it's really boring making them all manually. So let's automate it. So first thing to do, Windows R, type shell :sendto, press enter. This takes you directly to the Sendto folder for your user, and you can right click, create a new folder, a new file at least, call it folders bat. Very important to delete the .txt extension. Now we can open it in our favorite editor, and the first thing to do, this is just magic, just do it. Change directory to the folder that you have selected, and now we can make directories raw. Save it. We don't need the back file. So we can see that that file contains those instructions. Now the magic. You create a new project folder. Let's say howto Sendto. Right click it. Send to the batch file we just created. We'll get a little flicker sometimes. Windows doesn't always display it. And it doesn't look like much happened, but the magic is in our folder. Those folders we wanted have been created. And it solves a lot of time and hassle. And all projects have the same folders so that we're not wondering if we created it or not. It's just always there.